What a bird, what a bird, what an absolutely super duper bird. I can do most anything, roller skating while I sing. See the world my special way, turn it upside down today.
Hey, nice kitchen.
What a bird, doing things the likes of which you never heard. Catching pop-ups in the park, I can do that in the dark. Jogging at the end of day, going straight one way. If I want my joy complete, sometimes I'm admiral of the fleet. What a bird, what a bird, what a bird. Nap times are my favorite. I'm really at my best. I fluff down soft and cuddly in my perfect cozy nest. Oh, back to being me. What a bird, what a bird. Do I really need to add another word? If a friend gets in a scrape or gets bent all out of shape, I hold out a helping wing. All is right with everything. What a bird, what a bird. When you study me, how can you not be stirred? I can travel anywhere, and I do it with real flair. Where do you find this class? Riding pickup up a pass. Or if the mood is dignified, into a one-horse shay I'll slide. Though I'm big and tall, on this you can depend. I'll scrunch down small, 'cause you're my most important friend. And I gotta know that you believe the word. What a bird, what a bird, what a bird. That's me.
Oh, I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything ragged or rotten or rusty. Yes, I love trash. If you really want to see something trashy, look at this. I have here a sneaker that's tattered and worn. It's all full of holes and the laces are torn. A gift from my mother the day I was born. I love it because it's trash. Oh, I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything ragged or rotten or rusty. Yes, I love trash. Here's some more rotten stuff. I have here some newspaper, 13 months old. I've wrapped this inside and it's smelly and old. But I wouldn't trade it for a big pot of gold. I love it because it's trash. Yes, I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything ragged or rotten or rusty. Yes, I love trash. Now look at this rest of this junk. I've a clock that won't work and an old telephone, a broken umbrella, a rusty trombone, and I am delighted to call them my own. I love them because they're trash. Oh, I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything ragged or rotten or rusty. Yes, I love